Tired of paying an arm and a leg for phone service? Today, I'm diving into why I ditched mobile to hop on the Mint Mobile bandwagon, breaking down my personal experience and the reasons you might want to consider the same. First up, the money. Let's be honest, the primary driver for most of us is cost, and Mint Mobile absolutely slashes the cost. I used to dread opening my mobile bill, but with Mint, I'm saving a bundle. This is because Mint Mobile offers a variety of affordable plans, and the longer you commit to paying, the cheaper the monthly rate. Next up, network performance. This was actually a big concern for me. I live in an area where mobile's coverage was generally pretty solid, but I was worried about a downgrade. To my surprise, the network on Mint Mobile, which leverages mobile's network, has been very dependable and reliable. I've experienced comparable, if not equal, speed and coverage, even in rural areas. Finally, let's talk customer service. I'll admit, I was a little apprehensive switching, but I've found that the online support and resources on Mint have been perfectly adequate for my needs so far. So, the switch to Mint Mobile has been a major win for me. If you're looking to save money and don't mind setting up your new plan on your own, I highly suggest looking into it. Check out the link in the description below to Mint Mobile. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.